In generally, we do like this. 5 minus 5 is 0 into 5 minus 5 is 0. So 0 into 0, 0. This is not correct. According to the BODMAS rule, we have to do brackets, then half, squares and roots, then division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction, left to right. In this, 5 minus 5 into 5, 25 minus 5. That is 5 minus 25 and minus 5 is minus 30. So 5 minus 30 equals minus 25. This is right.